welcome to the Abby's channel.
What are we doing today, Noah?
Painting mommy and Abby's nails.
With what?
With this.
Serendipity. We're gonna be reviewing this. If you guys want to know if it is worth the 20 bucks, then just keep watching. So this is the Serendipity. It was $19.98, I believe, at Walmart. It is a dip nail colored kit. It comes with 3 colors, neutral, regatta red, and feverish. And so I'm going to try, I think I'm going to do the regatta red. Maybe I'll do the feverish, I'm not sure. But we're gonna try it out. I've tried their other one out, the glitter one, but I did notice that their paintbrush stuff, it got stiff, so I got another one for myself because I don't know if I did something wrong in the process, so I want to give it another try and see. And we'll see how that goes. It comes with these 3 little things and the 3 powders. This is the bonding glosses, which we're gonna put first. After we put our bonding gloss on, I'm gonna do that right now, and I'm gonna use the feverish color. I think it's really cool. Okay, so first we're gonna be doing the bonding gloss, and we're just going to the instructions say to do it just like basically like you're painting on nail polish. And you're gonna dip it into the powder just like so and tap off the excess. Just like that. Alright. And then we're going to do this for the same. If you missed a spot, you'll notice you missed a spot. It's okay. You want to dip all your nails first. And then you're going to do the thing. Because I think that's where I messed up last time. I did the activator immediately. And you have to let it dry. Because then it makes your brush hard.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna do the instant activator. After we've done all our nails, dipped all our nails, we did the bonding gloss, then we dipped all our nails. Once we're done with the last nail, we're gonna start at the beginning of the first nail we did, and we're gonna put the activator on, and we're just gonna brush it on as much as we can. So it comes the brush cleaner, and I'm gonna dip this brush in here just to kind of clean off that brush, because you can see that it's starting to turn like a little different color. Start all over putting our bonding gloss. Oops. And then once we put our bonding gloss, we will dip. So this is what I don't like. It's really, the brush is hard. I don't like that. Alright, so this is done. So the next step is to, after this is dried, we're gonna buff it. Okay, so after we have filed down our nails and we washed our hands, we're just gonna apply some bonding gloss, and that's gonna be it for us, just to make it shiny, and then we'll let it dry. So I am done with it. My thoughts so far, I could have done a 3rd coat just to cover up a bit of the parts that I didn't really get, but so far it's really cool that you just dip and you're done. And just the brushes getting really hard is the only downside, but other than that, it's perfectly great if you don't have a salon open because of this COVID stuff. But yep, I do recommend it. It's totally worth the $19.